I just do an auto home to show you. When I put the model on upline, it is not touching the surface, but when I'll redesign the model a bit to knock about 5mm off the bottom there. So basically you've got movement here, a screw just screws in and holds the thing in. You can move the whole thing with the heatsink up and down. We've got a screw here so you can move the laser up and down, and then I believe you've got some like a nail knob here that you can focus the laser beam. Obviously you've got Y up and down movement. So basically I'm going to put this file for this online. Sorry about the camera here, I'm having to use my other camera because I have a USB issue with my camera in Windows 10. And they said they're not going to do an update. Thank you very much, JVC. So basically this just clamps in there with that screw on the side there. This is a separate piece. I used some Gorilla Glue to fasten it to my carriage. Obviously you're going to have some way of fastening it to your carriage, but this is like a holder for the laser basically. I will put both parts online. I'll put a link down below. That's better, look at the light better there. We haven't got my main lights on at the moment either. So I haven't wired this up yet. I haven't got any safety goggles, so I don't intend to wire it up at least until I get some safety goggles. Obviously doing this I lose 45mm off my X carriage here going to the right, because this will hit against the carriage sort of part unless you have X Max on. So I've lost 45mm doing that, but this could be taken off and stored probably somewhere temporarily if it's not in use much. That's quite a bit actually, that 45mm. I'll take it up to the X. I've reset the X Max in Marlin. So I'm okay to move this as much as I want to 200, and you can see you might be able to make out there that it's just a bit of a gap there between the end where it wants it, but you can see where the nozzle probably is there. You see the nozzle there. So we're losing, with this on, we're losing quite a bit of this X carriage, 45mm at least. I was thinking of putting it on here, but there's not much space with my BL Touch here. But that would lose like Y carriage, and there's more space. I have 245. I probably could push to 250 if I wanted, but 245 on the X carriage normally. I thought, oh well, I can take the distance off there, because taking the distance off the Y carriage is, you know, it's 200Y. Take 45 off that, you're getting even less space, so to speak. So at the moment, as it is here, it's 200 by 200 now. The build area, that's the 3D printing area. Obviously when this is over left, it's going to lose quite a bit of space if you're doing laser cutting on this side, because the laser's over here somewhere. Let me move it left actually to see. I have to apologise for the quality of this, but as I say, my USB is just not working on my JVC camera. I can still transfer files by using the card that goes in it, the SD card, but that's alright. That's on. So you can see that if we're printing with the laser, we've got right here, which is what, 10, not 10, 20, about 45 lost on that side with the laser. But obviously the laser can come up right to this edge, but Y direction is okay. So I'll put the files for these two parts. Obviously, as I say, you'll have to modify, because not many people have horizontal X-carriage like I have. They quite often have the like more vertical now. I don't know why. I'll just home that once more to finish off, just to show you. Excuse me here. Oops, selected the wrong one on the LCD 128. Right there, should be homing just now. And as I say, there is a bit of a gap there, but I'll probably knock a bit off the bottom there anyway. It doesn't need to be that low, this sort of part here.